Well, here's my 1 to 32 scale P42, Amtrak P42, and I'm building 1 to 32 Superliner cars and also Amtrak. And the Amtrak Amfleet car was kitbashed from an LGB, and also the two engines were kitbashed from 1 to 29 down to 1 to 32. So those are kitbashed engines to get down to the 1 to 32. And then the Superliner cars that I'm going to build, the sides are scratch built. I started them over, and the trucks I got from a guy in France that builds O-gauge, a guy named Jean, and then he redrew them in 1 to 32, and then I have them printed out, and then I made some molds for it. So this is my answer to a 1 to 32 scale Amtrak Superliner train. And so I'll make a swipe here so you can see. I hope, excuse my tripping over everything here, but and then on the Superliners, I made the diaphragms working so that I can get them close coupled so that it looks more real. And after I paint them silver, and here's a close-up of the trucks, they came out pretty good. I still have to put the reinforcing arms on the trucks and the body. And then here's the Amfleet cars. Like I say, I wanted to keep them all 1 to 32 so that they look correct, the heights and everything. And on these also, I'm using springs on them so that they can fit close coupled. So there you go. The engine is PS3, MTH PS3 sound, and somewhere else on YouTube you can find where I run that, and you can hear the sounds, diesel sounds. It sounds really good. But I'm going to make 10 of these Superliner cars and maybe 2 or 3 more Amfleets to make it look like a real Superliner consist. I have yet to make a baggage car also. But anyway, so there you go. 132 scale, gauge 1, Superliner, P42 Superliner cars and Amfleets. So there you go.